What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. This is going to be a special update, a valuable one as well, I hope at least, because today is an important day for the crypto markets. It's an important day to see what the trend will be, which way we will go, and just in general also for the economics, but that matters less in crypto videos, right? So today what we'll have is the Federal Reserve interest rate. So the United States interest rate is going to change. It's going to change from 3.25 to 4%. That's pretty set in stone. That's probably going to be it. So I doubt that the market is going to move a lot because of that. It's possible. It's definitely possible, but I doubt it. But then afterwards we have the Federal Reserve press conference, which is going to be very important because that dictates whether we can be bullish, which would practically mean that they are not going to increase the interest rate as much and that they won't continue on this trajectory that they've been on. Difficult word. So basically that they're cooling it down, the increasing, or whether they say, well, the inflation rate is still high, we need to keep increasing it, and we might even increase it by a percentage, which would be massively bearish for crypto, right? In general, that's all you need to know. If they say that they want to keep increasing those interest rates more and more, bearish. If they say they're cooling it down a little bit, so they're being a little bit dovish, if you know the central bank terms, then that's bullish. So for Ethereum, what that means, I mean, Ethereum in itself, if there was no interest rate at all, I would easily say that we're going up to this level at around 1800. Because the bullish momentum that Ethereum has right now is very strong. You can see that we have had some major bullish breakouts, and we have always held our support levels, which we cannot say for Bitcoin, for example. And even though, I mean, you can see right now, very clearly see that we're having some sort of a bullish flag. Even though we're dropping down, that's called a bullish flag because it's a continuation pattern. We're having some sort of a bullish flag. So if there was no fundamentals at all, I would say, like I said right there, that there is a chance to actually drop down to 1500. But from there, I think we would break above 1650 and get up to our next price target around 1760 and 1800. And I still think this is the most likely scenario. For some reason, I think they're going to cool down the interest rates a little bit more. It's already at 4%. Which is pretty high, so they might actually still increase it to 5%, but they might do it in increments of 50 base points, right? Which would already be bullish, I think. So yeah, that's the main thing. It's basically that, and if they actually say, I mean, for example, if the interest rate actually goes up to 4.25, or they say in a press conference that they will keep increasing it in this way, I think the market would consider that as very bearish. And I think Ethereum then drops down all the way to 1425. And there's a big chance of actually dropping down all the way to 1360 again and continuing this consolidation. Even though Ethereum has been that strong, then the fundamentals are just that bearish that it could ruin this whole bullish momentum that we have gotten going on. So yeah, it's going to be important. Later today, I'll make a full video, I think, on the interest rates and what it means, because it's obviously very economic. What it means and what you can expect, and some words to look for in the press conference, because those press conferences are usually, they're saying a lot, but they're saying almost nothing, right? If you know what I mean. But yeah, so I will try to make a video about that, but for now, this is, as I said, this is the most likely scenario, I think, for the upcoming days. It might not happen that quickly. But yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to say. Apart from that, I mean, the DXY, so the dollar strength index, is also an important thing to look at, which has been bullish, as you can see yesterday. So that's causing the bearish momentum we have right now. But this is 100% correlated with the interest rate, right? It's 100% correlated with what I said. If they keep increasing it, that's bullish for the dollar. It will probably break above this 112 level. If they say that they're cooling it down, that's bearish for the dollar, and then will drop down and crypto will go up. It's just negatively correlated with crypto. It doesn't hold a lot of predictive power in events like these. So yeah, that's my take on Ethereum today, the interest rate update, I think I'm going to call it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, but for now, take care, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.